Got this wicked bouncy ball. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. It's actually really super cool. I'll show you this wicked bouncing ball. It's a dog chew toy. Got 3 different modes. It's got LED lights in it. So the way it works is you open it up and there's a little gear in the bottom here and you turn it on, but it's USB rechargeable, so you just click that on there, USB recharge it. It seems to last a long time. Put it back together, you put it in here. Okay, so to turn it on, you push this button and hold it, and it goes into blinking blue mode. And then I need to just grab it. Okay, because it's not in the gear right. It's kind of tricky to put together. There we go. Slide that together like that. So now we've got a bubbly bouncy chew toy, and in this mode it moves a little bit until you shake it, and then it stops, and it will run for like 5 minutes and turn off if the dog's not playing with it. There's 3 different modes when you're reading. Gentle mode, blue is normal mode, bouncing and rolling, and purple is crazy mode. So you can see how it's doing that. It's actually kind of fun. I'll show you some footage of my dogs playing with it. Get it. Get the ball. Get it. Get it. Take it apart like this. It's got 3 different modes on it. Green is normal mode. You just put it in there. To put it together, you have to get it kind of stopped and then slide it in. Okay, so that's a little bit more gentle mode. The green mode, normal, have it on. But when you shake it, it gets a little more active as the dogs interact with it. So it's really a fun toy. Once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me. I'm excited about it.